What's going on, Money Geeks? Mr. V here. Welcome to another video, guys. So in today's video, I just want to review my trades of the day. I'm just going to show you guys kind of like an update in what trades I took and what we ended up with. So before we get started, guys, if you're new to the channel, we talk about how to earn money, how to save money, how to invest and build wealth. So if that's something that interests you, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on new content. So let's kind of jump right in and start with the most important part. So today was a green day. We had a total of $2,100 and some change. And my best trade came from Roku, 1900, and then Square, Baba, Neo. Worst trade came from Vista Oil, $134. And that was really my bad. I made some stupid mistake there. So anyways, but again, overall, $2,100. It's awesome. So let's go take a look at Roku, Square, Baba, and Neo. Those are the important trades that I did today. So let's start with Roku. So Roku, yesterday, that's where they had their earnings call. And so that momentum from yesterday carried into today's morning. So if you can see here, the market opened. Let me zoom in a little bit. The market opened and Roku dipped to 228. And then from there, it just went crazy. Look at that, from 228, I crossed VWAP. So I got in somewhere around here and traded it all the way up. I got up, I think right here, when we started doing this pullback here, I got out because I worry. I had my stop loss so tight, so I got out of there. I could have stayed in the trade a little bit longer, but I got out and secured some profit. So, but overall, Roku had a really excellent day. So you can see we went as high as 255 before pulling back and then squeezing up again. I didn't trade the afternoon. I could have traded the afternoon and made some money, but hey, that's when you become a greedy savage and you can turn around and give back your profit. So I didn't want to do that. Next one on the list was Neo, which I traded too. Really made some good money on this one. This is after hours, so if you can see here, just pull back here so you guys can actually see what happened with Neo. So again, yesterday the stock closed the day with good momentum. So open this morning, pulled back a little bit, crossed VWAP. The second candle here is where I got in and squeezed and rode it all the way to about here, about 42.7, 42.78 or something like that. That's where I got out, took some profit. There were some opportunities throughout the day, but I didn't trade those just because I don't want to be a greedy savage, as you can see. Then I traded Baba as well. This is after hours of Baba, but if you can see, look at that run. And I wish I had stayed in this trade. I think I'm still bidding myself because see, it opens up, pull back, kind of crosses VWAP established. And so I got in here, it went up and then started pulling back, but I actually held on. I didn't get out. So I stuck in there and look at that run. And it kind of all these dojis here, it was kind of scary because it could have gone either way, but I had my stop loss. Or look at that squeeze all the way up. And again, I have my stop loss that I just follow behind and taking profit as we go, still giving you an opportunity to move. So I had my stop loss in there to make some money there, which is awesome. And then which other one did I trade? So Neo, Square, Baba, and Roku. Did we look at Square yet? Square was pretty much the same thing. Open up. I'm trying to zoom in here so you guys can see where I actually traded the stock. So open up right here, pulled back, and then just started gapping. So I got in here after VWAP. So crosses VWAP, established confirmation. I got in, stayed in there. My stop loss was a little bit underneath VWAP, so I stayed in there. It came down. I thought it was going to go kick me out, but it came down and just bounced off of VWAP and then kept going up. So got up all the way to here. This is where I got out of the trade up here because I saw it. So I started pulling back, so I got out. But I could have stayed in the trade and continued. But hey, you never know these suckers. Sometimes they can go your way. Sometimes they can just completely go the other way. There was some opportunities in the afternoon. See right here, 194 and squeeze all the way to 200. That's a $6 spread. I didn't trade that because I traded most of my trades in the morning. Again, guys, overall wasn't a bad day with $1,900 on Roku, 200 on Square, 116 on Babar, 109 on Neil, and 5 on Tesla, and did give some money back, but it was a good day overall. So let me know in the comment section, how was your Friday? Did you make some good money? Don't hesitate to post that in the comment section. Also, if you have any questions, let me know. If you are looking to get started too, guys, WeBull is doing their promotion where they give you 3 free stocks to get started, not 1, 2, 3. If you sign up and deposit $100, so definitely go check them out. I mean, it's an affiliate program, so when you sign up, you get the free stock. I get a free stock as well, and that's what helps me keeps the channel going. So, so when you see that, don't think like, hey, Mr. V. Yeah, I'm doing this because I get a kickback, and that's what helps me keep the channel going. So I appreciate you guys that have signed up using my link. Again, the link in the description. And as always, guys, don't be a greedy savage and stay motivated.